A delegation representing 14 CSOs and various communities, alongside Manipur government spokesperson MLA Thokchum Radisham, held a crucial meeting with Union Minister KIREN RIJIJU at his official residence in New Delhi today. The meeting, which began at 3:20 p.m., reportedly lasted for around 30 minutes. The team had been camping in the national capital for several days to press central leaders to update the National Register of Citizens (NRC) before conducting the upcoming state census. Speaking after the meeting, 14 CSOs convener Nahapum Shanta stated that they urged the minister to defer the census until illegal immigrants are identified through the NRC using 1951 as the base year. Shanta maintained that the delegation also pressed for a freeze on the delimitation exercise until Indian citizens are properly verified, adding that they submitted a formal written representation to RIJIJU. According to Shanta, KIREN RIJIJU listened to their grievances patiently and assured the team that he will discuss the matter with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to reach a concrete decision. Members in the delegation included Akom Lup Joint Secretary Leishang Them Yaifaba, Irecha Kanbalup General Secretary Ladik Yengbam Bedik, Kabui Union Manipur President Dr. Hira Kabui, Kom Union Manipur President Sarto Chunghangwang Kom, All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee President Sheikh Mohammed Jalaluddin, Rongmei Naga Youth Organization Manipur President Gaikiam Thiamai, and Manipur Ima Convener Sagol Sem Kula.
KIREN RIJIJU Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister ga koi phamina duna like 30 minutes kumba koi wari sanajare hariba wari sida mahak nasu adum koi gi Manipur gi issue si yamna critical oiba issue ni adu koi lagminaiba furup sing sigi wa mahak na tabira kanda Union Home Minister ga thu matamda decision ama launaba kana honari haibagi mana pawdam ma thambirei loinana akoina mongonda thamjagi basi census yaithok piro matungda miyamna pamiba NRC implement tobinaba NRC update tobinaba haijab tare update tobinaba procedure do chatha biraga Manipur da foreigner mayam ama haibdi original Indian citizen khandokpa lei loidri fawa delimitation je freeze tawraga thamnaba wari sanabani loinana koi ngasi gi numisida foreign evening da koi BJP gi president haib tare Nitin Navin amadi atopa BJP gi maru oibo official singa phamina naba pung manga ga minute 35 da koi thorang tawduna leijari aduna Manipur miyamna Bangbireba mateng amadi Manipur miyamgi honomal bu mai pakna ba honabada akoina su somda akoi political amadi diplomatic dialogue singse tawduna athu matamda miyamgi apamba phangnaba honamina siana sumaina tham